In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an IKEA credit card payment online. To get started, open your web browser and go to the online account portal provided by the issuer of your IKEA project credit card. Once the page loads, look for the login button and select it to move to the sign-in page. Next, sign into your account by entering your username or email address and your password. If the site asks for an extra security check, go ahead and complete that verification. This is a normal part of protecting your account. After that, click Sign In to access your account dashboard. Once you're inside your account, head to the payment area. Depending on the portal, this section may be labeled Make a Payment, Pay Bill, or simply Payments. The wording can vary slightly, but it should be easy to spot from the main dashboard. If this is your first time making a payment online, you may need to add your bank account before continuing. To do that, select Add Bank Account, then enter your bank routing number, bank account number, and account type. Be sure to type everything carefully so your payment can process correctly. When you're finished, save your payment information. After that, choose how much you want to pay. Most portals will let you select the minimum payment due, the full statement balance, or a custom amount. If your account includes promotional financing purchases, it's a good idea to review your statement carefully and make your payments on time since charges may apply after the promotional period ends. Now schedule your payment by choosing the date you want the payment to be made. Before submitting, take a moment to review all of the details, including the payment amount, the selected bank account, and the payment date. If everything looks correct, click Submit Payment. Once your payment is submitted, wait for the confirmation message to appear. Make sure to save the confirmation number or keep the confirmation email for your records. It's also smart to check your account later to confirm that the payment has officially posted. If you want to make future payments easier and avoid missing a due date, you can also set up autopay. Go to the autopay settings, choose your payment amount, select your bank account, and then confirm your enrollment. That's it. Once everything is set up, paying your IKEA credit card online becomes a quick and convenient process.